This is a 10-wheeled 4-6-0 steam locomotive called Canadian National 1392 and built by the Montreal Locomotive Company. In July 2017, the locomotive was transported to Stettler to pull a commemorative train between Stettler and Big Valley with April. For transport to Stettler, Arm Loco 1392 was loaded onto two separate flatbeds and transported by tractor truck. Transport Convoy 1392 had to cross muddy road that were very difficult to navigate. The scraper DF9 V54 was stuck in the sand and the scraper came and rescued it.
And a puppy! Everybody smile for the cameras!
The Berry B200 Altair seaplane was launched and was able to take off from the water in Jellinek in 2016. The runway was full of dirt, but the plane was still able to accelerate and take off spectacularly. The abyss. This Jeep is rolling slowly on the narrow Black Pear Pass, and if you ignore it for 1 second you can fall into curved curbs, narrow roads with many rocks scattered on the road surface and easy road edges are what we are seeing. Suddenly, a Jeep Wrangler rolled in front of the car. It looked like someone had had an accident. This is a Scania 2 Series with a 14.2-litre engine that will be transported by lift truck to the repair site. A tractor pulls the truck closer to the lift table and a pusher is always ready behind. With the support of the rear trolley, the 2 Series 142 gradually climbed onto the lift. A tractor and a pusher helped the 2 Series 142 get onto the semi-trailer safely. Table of the semi-trailer. If the truck is misaligned with the elevator, a tractor will pull it a little to match the elevator. A tractor got stuck in the mud. His friend came and pulled him out with just a cable. Scania R730 is Scania's most powerful R-Series truck model with a very cool-looking front. Scania V8 engine is designed to perform the most demanding tasks, high durability, and efficient work. Logging in deep forests in snowy winters is very difficult. The TDT-55 both pulls logs and performs rescue missions. Front end. It is equipped with a 16.4-liter turbocharged V8 diesel engine and can easily reach speeds of 100 km/h with 77 tons of cargo in the back. A ZIL 131 loaded with wood was stuck. TDT-55 assisted in pulling the truck across this road. We don't need to discuss much about the power of TDT-55, because it is too strong. ZIL 131 is also quite proactive in movement with the traction of TDT-55. ZIL 131 is for true junglers. A Komatsu bulldozer made a mistake while working, causing it to slide off the road. People were threading a cable. A crawler bulldozer has arrived. The Komatsu D735 with the ability to both push and pull it up. Pull. The bulldozer in distress was successfully rescued and towed across the snow-covered road. Truly, the Komatsu D375 is a safe, fast, powerful, and efficient addition to any fleet. The Tatra's four wheels spun in the mud and had almost no grip to move forward. After many efforts and the fact that the road surface was not deeply encroached by mud, the Tatra could move normally.